Vinu! Vinu!
Excuse me, wait for a while. Boss is in meeting.
Just go and tell him my name.
Your name, ma'am?
Divya.
Should look like the premium and big product.
Sir.
I want this best quality possible. Our fabric quality is also going to be good, and the box.
Sir, Divya is here.
Can't you see I'm in the meeting? I am in the bloody meeting!
I'll wait.
Okay, guys. See, we are wrapping up, and we'll see you in the next meeting. Yeah. Okay. Okay,
Evidence
guys.
by elements in this room I can speak of, and by all the sediments I left up in your speaker. I know I'm stuck in your dome like a eureka. I know for breaking the hearts, our eyes are leaking. Speak it into truth, seek it, don't be doomed. Words that live by or are in a tomb. Raised in the wounds, been dope from the womb. Hell bent to bring the hope of the new.
I'm sorry I interrupted you in your meeting.
It's okay. You know that. I don't like interruption in my meeting.
So next time, keep in mind.
Sir, घर मालक कार.
What karma car?
Listen to me, घर मालक कार.
What are you talking about?
अरे बाईला कुठं काम भेटलंय ना, तू पण भेटणार नाही. घर मालक आलाय तिकडं. सगळं करतो.
तू एक काम कर, तू वरती जा. तू एक काम कर, तू वरती जा. थांब, तू आलो वरती जा. तू जा वरती इथं.
अरे व्हॉट दिस यार. माळी अरे कुठे गेला माळी. माळी अरे माळी काय आहे हा. अरे झाडे कट नाही केली, गार्डन साफ नाही केलं, कधी नाही तर काय
करतो.
काय करतो, कधी करणार तू.
हा,
जा लवकर करतो.
करतो.
हा जा लवकर. काय माणसं भरली तुम्ही पण.
तू इथं कशाला आली, तुला बोललो होतं.
हे तुला माली काय बोलतायत?
अगं वेडे, मी विनायक माळी.